If you are wondering why people just look expensive the moment they walk into a room, it is not the outfit. It is this exact routine I'm about to show you. This makeup look just give confidence and the boss lady vibe. So let me show you how we achieve this look. First of all, we're going for that CEO look. So obviously we're gonna start with skin prep because if the canvas is messy, the masterpiece is not gonna, it's not gonna be hitting right. So think of this primer as the filter you're gonna need to achieve the look. Right after that, we're going right away into foundation, and this brush is just going to help you blend everything into place, if you know what I mean. I know. We look a little crazy right now, but trust me, we are blending our way into perfection. This is the part where you stop worrying about and just let the brush do a thing, okay? Or just let placement do a thing. Like, placement is everything when it comes to that confident lift or snatched filter makeup look, okay? You want to put the product exactly where you want your future to stand out. Like, where do you want to highlight all of the beauty, like the future on your face? You gotta first of all understand your face. Like, you gotta understand placement. It's very important, y'all. And at this moment, we're just gonna let the brush do its thing, just blending our way to perfection. It's just making everything look seamless, snatch, lift up. Like, anyways, let's bring back color into the face. Like, that brings some warmness back into the face. And how do we do that? Well, bronzer. We bring the bronzer back to the eye. Like, I'm telling you, you gotta understand your face structure. And at this point, I just like to go in with a second coat of concealer because I love that bright on her art, that UK girl makeup method. And I just blend that in. But you don't really have to do the steps. Set it with a setting spray. Not a setting spray, but a Mentee spray. And then that Paint by Esther method with a bright pink and a natural eyebrow. Like, just filling in my natural shape. But as you already know, the eyes is going to be like the main character for today makeup look. No harsh line, just pure soft intensity. Like, you see what I'm saying? Just building on colors, transition color, cut crease, and just giving that dramatic look, but not dramatic to the point that you can see the rough line. Do you understand what I'm saying to you? Okay, just blending everything into place. All about blending, honestly. And if you're still here watching, you are officially part of the Full Glam Club. Okay, you can achieve a full glam. Go ahead and show your girl some love. Subscribe, like, share with a friend, show some support to this channel. I put in work, as you can see, and I would greatly appreciate it if you just show me some love back. Okay, thank you so much for your love and support. And we're just setting it on, setting the bright on our eye with a pressed powder. So this is where the filter look come in. Just setting everything, like places that I want to be really bright and full front. I set those places with a pressed powder before going in with a setting powder. This method will just give you that blow filter look, like everybody, the Instagram vibe, like, you feel me? Or that TikTok filter look. If that's what you're going for, this is how you achieve that look. And then after the pressed powder, you want to go in with a setting powder and just don't let it sit, don't bake, but just, for a few seconds, let it do its thing. Do your bronzer, do your blush, do your lip gloss, and then come back and just swap it. But the lips and the eyes where the attention is today, as you can see, is already coming together. Like, do you see what I'm saying? Do you see the lips? Baby, this look eat. And we're just gonna, some final touch it, lips, setting spray. Yes, beauty queen, this is how we do it. If you stuck around for the whole transition, drop a crown in the comment section below. Just drop a crown, okay? For the queen, drop a crown. You guys are the real one. We'll see you in my next video.